Wake up! It is time to start the day.
Oh, good morning, Sparky. What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock. The sun is shining.
Wonderful. I love a beautiful morning. Let's get ready.
Lily, what is your morning routine?
First, I always come to the bathroom. I need to brush my teeth.
Brush your teeth every morning.
Yes, every morning. Look, this is my blue toothbrush. And this is the toothpaste.
Toothbrush and toothpaste. Clean teeth are healthy teeth, right?
Exactly, Sparky. Now give me 2 minutes to brush my teeth.
Whoa! Lily, my stomach is growling. I am so hungry.
I am hungry too, Sparky. Let's go to the kitchen.
The kitchen, great. What do we have for breakfast?
Look, we have some milk, bread, and fresh apples. Apples are very healthy and delicious. Do you want one?
An apple? Yes, please. I love apples.
Perfect. Here is your apple, Sparky. Let's eat breakfast.
Yum, yum, yum. Thank you, Lily. This is delicious. Woof!
We finished breakfast. Now I need to pack my bag.
Your bag? Where are you going, Lily?
I am going to the park to read a book.
Oh, can I come with you?
Of course, Sparky. Let's put our things in the bag.
What do we need for the park?
We need a book and a bottle of water.
Wait, please don't forget my favorite toy.
Ha ha ha. Okay, your toy is in the bag too. Let's go.
Yay! Let's go to the park. Woof! Wow! The park is so big and beautiful.
Yes, it is. Look at the tall trees and beautiful flowers.
Look, the sky is blue and the grass is green. Can I run and play?
Of course, Sparky. Run and play. I will sit under this big tree.
What will you do under the tree?
I will open my bag and read my favorite book.
Great! I will play with my toy and then we can drink water.
Perfect plan, Sparky. Have fun.
Woof! Thank you, Lily.
Look, Sparky. The sun is setting. It is evening now.
Oh, yes. I am tired, but I am very happy.
Me too. It was a wonderful day. Let's go home.
Yes, let's go home and rest. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Woof!